Alright, so in this video what we're going to be doing is working on this 1-inch cube with a centered square hole. So you're going to be working on making this square hole in the middle equidistant from each side of the cube. So the first thing you have to do is go into Inventor, obviously, and you have to do File, New. We're going to make a part. And I'm going to go really fast on this part because you already know how to make a 1-inch cube. So I'm simply going to do a 1-inch cube here. Extrude that out. Let's go away from it. All right, so on this one, what you're going to do is you're going to create a second sketch. So you go up here to Second Sketch, and you're going to click on this right here. On that face. So now I've got my paper over the top of it. And what I want to do is I want to make a new rectangle, 2-point rectangle, roughly in the middle. You can dimension that. It needs to be 0.5, and the other side needs to be 0.5 as well. So you now have a square in, it's not quite in the middle, but you have a square on this face of the cube. Okay? Now, you need to make this square exactly center. So let's pretend you're making a seatbelt buckle or something, and you can't just say like, oh, it's close enough. You have to make sure that it's perfect. So to do that, you're going to go up to Dimension, right here, and you are going to click 3 times. Once on the square of the new square that you've made. You're going to let go. I'm going to go out to the edge of the cube, click and let go. And I'm going to bring it back to the middle, and I'm going to click and let go. Now, what distance do I put in there? Well, we know the whole cube here is 1 inch, and we know that this part of the square is 1/2 inch. So 1 inch minus 1/2 inch is 1/2 inch, and we have 2 parts that we need to make even, 1 and 2. So 1/2 inch divided by 2 is 0.25. You notice that that shifted over to the right. Now, you need to do the same thing to the top or bottom, not both, just top or bottom. So again, I'm on Dimension. I'm going to click once and let go, drag it up to the top, click again, let go, drag it down to the middle, click a 3rd time and let go. And again, that's going to be 0.25. That will shift. You'll see it shift down. When I hit OK, it will shift it down because right now this is 0.144, which is smaller than this area right here. So if I hit Enter, it shifted it down. Now I know that this is exactly in the middle. You want to, that's all you need to do. Once you click on 3D Model, click on Extrude. And this one you'll notice the OK button doesn't it's not highlighted. Well, that's because you need to click on the part, and I don't know if you can see this, but as I hover over it, it actually changes a little bit of a color. So we want to click on the second one because we're going to cut it right here in your extrude window. And we want to click on this middle cube, or middle square, sorry. And you want to make sure it goes away. And you hit OK. And now you know that that is in the middle, directly in the middle of the cube.